Everybody, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Happen to have one of our 427 Windsor strokers. Normally this motor is like a 550 design. We got this thing to make 650 horsepower. Fantastic numbers. We put a special cam in there. We got some AFR heads, got a dark block, full forge rotating assembly, multi-port fuel injection. One of the keys to this operation over here. Got a beautiful full book march system. This one's going to run a pretty powerful stereo system, so it's got a real good special alternator on it. This thing's going to be spinning some RPM just like the motor. And again, if there's anyone looking for anything custom built, you found a place. Proformance Unlimited. We outshine all the competitors. If you're looking for something special, give me a call. Steve will be happy to put something together for you. So again, you know what I always say, the proof is in the performance. And once again, peace and God bless. Thank you. Wait for our RPM to come down. Oh.